Hello, it's Lego Maker Maddie and I'm going to show you a brilliant truck crash. There's a tanker driver, he's going like 100 miles an hour and he's asleep. Then another truck is trying to unload his stuff. This guy, the guy that's trying to unload his stuff, beats his horn really loud. Then the tank truck driver wakes up, he jackknives, and then his tanker hits the other trailer, knocking it over. Then the tanker catches fire, and then boom! Everything explodes.